Hey guys, so today I will be showing you how to make this very popular oil. I don't want to butcher the name, so I'm going to go ahead and type it on the screen. But this oil promotes hair growth. It literally guarantees hair growth. Well, that's what I've been seeing. I've been seeing a lot of people get results with this oil, and I want to start my hair journey. So my hair is currently 21 inches, and I want to grow it in the middle of my butt. So right now it's like a little bit above my butt, but I want to keep growing it, okay? So yeah, when it comes to measuring, it really is about how much you want to make. So just understand that all measurements may be different, and you also don't have to use all of the recommended powders or oils that some people may be doing. I picked certain ones that I wanted to use, and I just did it. So I was a little scared to make the water too hot. One, because it's glass, and two, when I was doing research, it said that it's better for the oil to sit for about 4 to 6 weeks. So I ended up turning off the heat and just allowed the oil to sit for about 10 minutes. So here you guys see that the oil's been sitting for a few days. I was so impatient, y'all. Like, it's really supposed to sit for way longer, but I just couldn't wait. So here are the items that I ended up using to strain the oil out. Guys, do not be like me, okay? I was in my little ghetto moment and ended up using like a stocking to help me strain it. But don't be like me. Go get a strainer. Your life will be so much easier. So after I was done straining, I added essential oils for smell, but these essential oils actually have hair benefits as well. I added about like 5 drops each to each container. Now, when it comes to applying the oil, I did not section my hair any specific way. I just made sure that the oil was distributed everywhere. And when it comes to also applying the oil, I do recommend like 2 to 3 times a week. Just know that your hair will get very oily. So I do recommend having like a protective style available, or just anything that keeps your hair up, because with your hair being oily, you wouldn't really be doing too much with it. But that's about it, guys. The process was really easy. Applying it to your hair is very easy. But yeah, that's about it. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.